Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to stop here?
No, keep going.
How about right here?
I'm videoing it, so
Can you
go
get
ahead.
it?
I'm videoing, just walk.
Okay. I think that ought to do
Now,
it.
how old are you?
Thank you so much.
How old are you?
How old?
Yeah.
88.
Okay, have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
You ought to come over some afternoon and have a glass of wine.